The thing is, guys, every time that you choose pleasure over purpose, you are killing your momentum. You're robbing from your future self. You're literally stealing the secret sauce from the man you know you need to be. And the crazy thing is that you fucking know it, right? Not long just off the back of a gym session there, was checking in with some clients, looking at a few things, and some of my boys are fucking killing it right now. They're fucking killing it. But one of the biggest problems in which I see time and time again is you reach the peak amount stupid doing all the fucking things that you've done before, which have got you some form of level of success. You've been aligned, you've been doing the growth habits, you've been doing the things, and you reach this point when you think they don't matter anymore. And then you get distracted and you start looking out rather than in. And you start comparing your current position to someone else's, not even on a vertical plane, which is sometimes very positive, but you start looking, oh, what are they doing that I'm not? They compare themselves, they complain, they build too much of a negative contrast with who they are and who they want to be or who they're not currently, and then they look at other people rather than looking at themselves and thinking what could be better, what could be tighter, what could be, you know, more streamlined. And they start getting all stressed in their head and they stop doing the things that got them there in the first place, and they start leaning in to the drugs, the porn, the vices, the stuff that is pulling you so far away from your purpose and keeping you numb, keeping you fucking drained, keeping you low frequency, keeping you in a place and space in your own head where you can't even articulate your own greatness anymore because you're so fixed on other people's shit they forget about what your purpose was in the first place. And you start searching for dopamine. You start waking up late. You start fucking jacking off again. You start drinking, start taking drugs, start spending all your money on shit that you don't need to impress people you don't even like, just so you can, you know, potentially get some new taps, some new likes on Instagram. I don't know, but bro, you're fucking numbed out right now, and you know it. You guys need to go on a complete dopamine detox, and I say this honestly. You need to grayscale the fuck out your phone. You need to go on a fucking severe period of monk mode and renounce all of the negative things from your life right now and go complete cold turkey. Because there's like a 4P framework that you need to understand here, and I'm just deeping on this right now. And it's like pain, right? You understand you're not where you want to be. Pleasure, what is the hypothetical outcome in terms of what it is you're looking for? Purpose, get crystal clear on what it now means to you, and then take fucking power. They're the four things: pain, pleasure, purpose, power. And once you finally get that power back reinstalled in you, that is when you can literally remove that fucking numbed out boredom in which you're now subduing yourself with day to day, chasing these, you know, materialistic, external fucking bullshit things. And you can actually get yourself grounded the fuck back into what you know you're truly here to do, what you know you're here to be fucking made of. Rather than thinking you got to be Mr. Perfect, you got to have it all now. See, the shit that got you here, it's not going to get you there. You have to refine. You have to refine. But I tell you what, when I say that phrase, what got you here won't get you there, the habits will stay the same, but the mindset now has to change. I don't mean the things you do, I mean the person you become, the mindset in which you have. If you've lost some weight, great. Have you got abs yet? No, you need to become someone now who has abs, not just someone who's lost some weight. Okay, you've made some money, cool, how much? Okay, 10k a month, that's great. Now you need to become someone who makes 20k a month, 30k a month, like the list goes on and on and on. But you need to realise that you can't go avoiding the shit that is necessary. You can literally just grind and hustle and work your way to get in shape, to make some money. But there comes a point in time where you have to be super fucking dialed in and remove all of the bullshit in your life right now that is not serving you. Double down on the habits which have done you well up until this point, refine them and remove what is not serving you anymore, and go fucking harder. Push fucking more, remove the things that are not serving you. I keep saying that, guys, but it's so true. Success loves subtraction, it also loves speed. You can't go fast if you're weighed down. So you got to deep on that, and you got to get clear on that. And every single day I jump on these calls with my clients. I do non-negotiable 5 hours minimum one-to-one coaching per day with my clients. It's just the way I run my business, the way I run my service. I like it. I do value human connection. And every single time we hop on these calls, and today we're going to do needs analysis. Okay, what do you actually feel you need now? Not last week, not next week, now. Could be with business, could be personal, physical, psychological, could be anything. What do you need now? Okay, who do you now need to be to have that now? Okay, we've got to act this way. Cool, what does the guy that you want to be now do day to day, and what, most importantly, does he not do? How can he remove the shit that is not serving him? You know, for me, for a long fucking time, it was drugs. Take drugs every single day. Got me to a point and I could operate, made some money, helped some people, built a business. But then I realised, if I want to go to the fucking top, does that guy take drugs? No, he does not. So I've replaced drugs with fucking running. And I run every day now. It's as simple as that. It's a healthier habit. Keeps me fitter, keeps me leaner. Feel fucking better. It's more aligned. Simple as that. So again, it's this daily course corrections. And like, so many guys are fucking taking advice from their idiot friends when it comes to growth. When all your fucking friends are little fat chumps, they don't have any results. So why would you listen to them when it comes to you growing and developing? Bullshit, makes no sense. Like, remove their what's the even word I'm looking for here? Remove their contribution to the fucking topic, because they don't even have enough level of intelligence to share upon it. Because person or people who fucking doesn't have the result is not the one to speak about having the result. They might be able to hit you some information that they found on TikTok or something, but bro, they ain't where you want to be. They ain't thinking the way you want to think. You got to invest in the people that have what you want. Follow the breadcrumbs of those who have been and done it, and latch onto them for fucking dear life. Because I tell you what, their purpose is deeper than your purpose. And you get around people with a higher purpose that do not tolerate bullshit, pleasure-seeking, dopamine-chasing behaviour, you'll find yourself in a fucking great spot very, very quickly. Because the standard is now recreated, and then you can now set the standard back in your life, because you will not tolerate bullshit anymore. And that's when you level the fuck up. So guys, stop chasing fucking pleasure, man. Stop being one of these little fucking itty bitty baby bitch TikTok screen sucking son of a bitches. Reclaim, rediscover, guys, rediscover your power. Learn how to fucking say no. Understand the difference of the world around you and realise who the fuck you are. And be willing, and I mean this, be willing to let go of what's not needed anymore. The things that aren't serving you, fucking let go for the fucking last time, man. And just go all in. If it's the booze, done, get rid of it. If it's the weed, done, get rid of it. If it's porn, done, get rid of it. Binge eating, done, rid of it. Keep going through the cycles of removal until you are the most clean cut motherfucker. And when you're super aligned and you're on that frequency, you'll have all these bouts of universal intelligence. The wisdom will come to you. You'll hear your intuition for the first time. You will feel it. And then you'll be at peace. Because you can start giving yourself that respect again. And you start understanding what you now need to do based upon your needs analysis. Because you're not distracted anymore. You know? So guys, love you and leave you. See you in the next one. Just had to get it off my chest today. Let's fucking go. You know the score. If you want to work with me one-to-one, link below in the description. Along with, of course, the free self-mastery guide 4-step video series on how to take your physique, productivity, purpose and testosterone to the next level. Guys, I love, I'm going to rephrase that, guys. I love you, but I hate what you're doing to yourself. Let's fucking change it for good. See you in the next one, guys. It's time to fucking go.